Welcome to the Abrazo Health Inpatient Rehabilitation Hospital, where we are proud to offer comprehensive, compassionate care to address the wide range of medical needs of our patients. Our modern 24-bed hospital, located on the Abrazo West Campus just north of I-10 in Goodyear, was specifically built to care for patients recovering from strokes, brain and spinal cord injuries, orthopedic conditions, neurological disorders, trauma, and other complex medical needs before returning home. Patients receive 24-hour medical oversight while recovering in the comfort of spacious private rooms designed with a tranquil appeal. Our seasoned care team members have specialized training and experience in rehabilitative medicine to provide holistic care focused on restoring function and independence. Physical, occupational, and speech therapists provide personalized, structured therapy routinely delivered for 3 hours per day, 5 days per week, using advanced technology in our expansive, well-appointed therapy gym. Patients are invited to actively engage with our compassionate interdisciplinary care team to develop personalized goals. And we welcome loved ones to participate in education and family training to support a safe, efficient, and successful discharge. Abrazo Health Inpatient Rehabilitation Hospital is deeply rooted in the West Valley and committed to serving our community. Located adjacent to Abrazo West Campus, a Level 1 trauma center, we offer a highly coordinated care model that supports continuity of care and a smooth transition from acute hospital care to inpatient rehabilitation through connected teams and shared medical records. We would be truly honored to have the opportunity to play an inspirational role in your recovery. We are committed to providing high-level care that ensures you feel well supported at every step. And we look forward to celebrating every milestone on your journey home. For more information, visit abrazohealth.com.